Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to install Android 12 on any Android device without TWRP, without root. So today we're going to learn how to upgrade your Android to Android on any Android phone. Alright, so before we start the video, just want to ask you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Like the video and don't forget to share the video to your friends, guys, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you that I don't have root, alright, and I'm not going to install here through a TWRP. Alright guys, so I'm going to click here on the root shortcut to show you that my phone has not root access. Okay, I'm going to click here. As you can see, my phone is Android 9. To verify root, as you can see, my phone has no root access on it. Okay, then I'm going to show you that my phone is Android 9, Android here. Okay, I'm going to click on my settings, then I'm going to click on system and about phone, then I'm going to click on Android version, and then I'm going to click here on Android version. As you can see, my Android is PM, Android 9. Alright, perfect, done. So now what to do is just you have to go in the setting here as well, and you need to activate the developer option and activate the USB debugging mode. Alright, so to do that, you're gonna click on developer option and you're gonna click around 7 times on build number, then enable here this option, developer option, then click on it, then you're gonna click on USB debugging mode and activate this option. Alright, then you're gonna click on this option here, enable GPU debugging layers. Once you did that, you're gonna go and find this option for CPU rendering. Next, you're gonna click on force for XMSAA. Okay guys, so then return. So the next step is just download from the link that I'm gonna leave this Archive if you need it. If you have another one, you can use it, no problem. So download it and download the application. Download the application I'm going to leave there down on the link on description. Download it and open it. I'm going to open it up here on my phone. Okay, and the folder that I downloaded, Android 12. Okay, I'm going to click, and don't need to worry about virus. This doesn't have any virus, so click to install it easily. You can install it. Don't have to worry about what, as I said before, is really trustful, is really free of any virus, so you can install it easily and click on done. Then just go back. Okay, so now what to do is just open it up. Okay, click the application Android S. Okay, click on it, then just wait. Once you open it, now you're gonna open it as well here by clicking on the right corner. Click on it. Then as you can see, the application is launched on my device, right? As you can see, the application is launched on my device. So now you have Android 12 installed on your device. Okay guys, perfectly, your Android now is 12 and this is working perfectly to any Android. Okay guys, so now what to do is just to change the app there on the, to change the notification icon. You're gonna go on the, just go on Google Play Store and then type here PowerShady. Type PowerShady notifications. Click to install. Just wait. Just open it up if you install it. Then give it the all permission that this application will ask you. Okay, just gonna give here the permission to accessibility. Okay, look for the PowerShady here and click OK. Then just you're gonna click on notifications, find out here the PowerShady and click OK, allow it. So now you're gonna have a nice look of your notification up there. You're gonna have a nice look, and now your phone is really changed. As you can see, it's really Android 12 As you can see, the notifications here are working properly. Everything is working properly there, and I'm gonna show you that the phone has really upgraded to Android 12. Okay, by clicking on the setting icon here, and as you can see, I have here already upgraded my phone to Android 12. I'm gonna click on system here, then on about phone, and I'm gonna be showing you that this phone has really Android 12. Alright guys, perfect. Now the phone is really Android 12. Okay, if you like it, and I'm gonna be starting from here. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified, and I see you on the next one.